Hey YouTube, this is MBLYum123, and today I'll be showing you how to find a master lock combination for a master lock combination lock. I got this lock from my mom, and I didn't even know the combination because she forgot it. And I found a cool website. I don't know if you can read that, but I'll put a link to it there. It's a master lock combination calculator. And you find the third digit, you enter it there. You find the third digit by lifting up and turning. Right now it's stuck in between 0 and 1, so that would be 0.5. And keep doing that all the way around the lock. You'll have one odd number. You'll have one even number. The numbers I got were 0.5, 3.5, 6.5, 10.5, 14.5, 17, 20.5, 23.5, 27, 31.5, 34, 37. The one that sticks out is a 34. You take that number, that will be your third digit. You want to read here. And you press enter. It'll give you a list of 100. So you don't really have to do the math. And I found out that my combination was number 4. If you can't read that, it's 2, 12, 34. I'll show you. I have to spin this one hand because I'm holding my camera. Okay. 2, 12, 34. Whoops. And there you go. You just found your combination to your lock. Thanks for watching.